yes, you've got 3 different ways that you can choose to do ozone therapy, but we thought that we would like to bring to you me getting vaginal ozone therapy, because I thought, hey, wouldn't it be great, Silka? We can offer something new to people for a treatment. So there we go.
Welcome.
Did you push record?
Hi everybody, and thanks for tuning in again to our second act with Paige and Silka.
For your second act of life. Hello.
Well, here we are back in Orange County at you know, beautiful Aliso Beach in Laguna. It's wonderful, and
this
so
is
much...
Silka's backyard.
Yeah, I wish. Well, kind of. Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. We're feeling great. We don't have any aches and pains today because yesterday we were at Dr. Laurie's and we were discussing doing lots of new programming. You know, Dr. Laurie, as you know, is my integrative health practitioner, and she does a lot of combination Eastern-Western therapy. And what Paige has been doing lately is ozone therapy. So talk to us about that real quickly. Who doesn't know about ozone therapy?
A lot of people don't know about ozone therapy, and it's been around for centuries. And you'll see in the clip I was getting ozone therapy, and tune in because you won't believe which orifice I was getting ozone therapy in and through. But it does help with so many things, from aches and pains, Lyme disease, fibromyalgia, brain fog. Did you want to add anything?
Well, the typical symptoms that we experience so much
after 50.
After 50. Yeah. So should we take a look behind the scenes?
Oh, and this is behind the scenes, so tune in.
All right, here's behind the scenes at Dr. Laurie's. Paige getting ozone therapy. So what does ozone therapy do, Dr. Laurie?
Basically, ozone is oxygen that we take through an ozone machine and becomes O3, which is a very active form of oxygen. And what happens is that when it gets in the system, it wants to bind. It's unstable. O3 does not want to stay as O3. It wants to be O2, the oxygen we breathe. So when we put it in the system, it goes through your body and it just binds into the cells. And basically think of it like jump-starting your cells. So these cells, the mitochondria, the engines in your cells that are stalled, it jump-starts them and gets them healing. So in Paige's case, we're doing the vaginal, but you can also do rectal, you can also do blood.
And I gotta say, why do rectal or through the arm when you can put it through your vajayjay, because it's so much easier and smoother? Just saying.
If you're a woman.
If you're a woman, yeah. Just saying.
We don't have penile ozone. No. I don't think a guy would sign up for that.
And the primary benefits?
There are so many.
So many.
In terms of, it can stimulate the immune system, so if somebody's fighting infection, but it also, if somebody's fighting autoimmune disease, so it will get the body back to where it should be, homeostasis. It can increase energy, anti-aging, the list goes on. It can help so many things.
And can we throw in there too, Dr. Laurie, Lyme's disease, big one, SIBO, anything with gut issues, distension, bloating, right, Laurie?
Right. And those are all infections, so I should say them specifically. But
No,
infections, when I talk about it, but
have.
Lyme disease,
Yeah.
you know, any infection, viral, parasitic, it will help. Basically, it will get your body to work better. If you have an autoimmune disease where your body is fighting itself, it will get your body to calm down. So basically, it will get your body to do what it needs to do. And there's no downside, except time.
You just lay here, gentle insert, kind of like putting a tampon in, but a lot thinner. And a lot thinner than other things that women put in there, too.
And that will be for another show.
Exactly.
We'll be back. Okay, so now that you know that Paige had vaginal ozone therapy, let's explain a little bit more, you know, why it was delivered that way and how you feel.
Well, there's many ways you can get ozone therapy. You can get it rectally if you want. Not my choice. Or you can do it through IVs. Not my choice either. But if you have a vagina, let me tell you, it is the most simple, easiest way to get ozone therapy. It's simple, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't bother you at all. And I can tell you, I'm someone who's very connected to their body. I mean, Silka will tell you. I'm very connected, I sense and feel everything. And for me, I could feel like space opening up in my belly. I could feel the ozone going through my whole body up to my brain. It felt more like of an opening, like things were clearing out, because it does help so many things. So yes, you've got 3 different ways that you can choose to do ozone therapy, but we thought that we would like to bring to you me getting vaginal ozone therapy, because I thought, hey, wouldn't it be great, Silka? We can offer something new to people for a treatment. So here we go.
Welcome. Well, and we're laughing, but of course it is a fabulous way to perhaps not, grab the prescription pad.
Yeah.
And, heal some stuff that we deal with every day.
It's another option, and like I do a lot of Eastern, Western integrative things, which you already know, but you know what, when you think about it, there's not just one thing to use to help yourself. So this is another avenue to try out to help, like Silk had said, before you maybe reach for something that could be a little bit more toxic.
Right.
And like I said, if you have a vagina, it's simple, it's easy.
You're in good shape.
You're in good shape. Yeah. And if you don't, if there's men out there, there's other ways you can do it too.
Yeah. Well, we will link to all the information. If you have specific questions, you can contact Dr. Laurie's office as well. You'll leave us your questions about it, your comments if you've had it.
Oh, yes, please do.
Okay. And we will see you next time on Our Second Act with Paige and Silka.
For your second act of life.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So glad you were able to join us today. I hope you found this information helpful. If you haven't already done so, please just take 1 second and subscribe to our channel. Button's right over here. And for more information about living your life to the fullest after 50, come visit our website, secondact.tv. See you soon.